Our next concept is My Oscar.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Robbie Marseille. I am the CEO of Oscar.com. Currently, 300 billion coupons are being distributed every year, but only 2 to 3% are being redeemed. That's a 97% failure rate. You get the coupon in the mail, you get the coupon out of the paper, you store it, you save it, and you promise yourself you're going to use it. It's a 2-for-1 special. You're going to do this one. It turns out you forget it, it expires, time lost. What we have is the kiosk, which is available in the grocery store at the point of sale. That means when you get there, you simply enter your phone number or a private ID, your shopping list prints out, and all the coupons that you've saved. It's done at the point of sale, and you don't get your coupon after you finish shopping like you currently do. You get your receipt, coupons on the back, it's after the fact. That receipt's going to go back into the filing cabinet, and you're going to remember to do this again. You're going to forget. The beauty of what we have here is that for the manufacturer, they have to pay right now to distribute their coupons, regardless of whether they're used or not. With our system, they only pay when the coupon is actually used. That's a 97% success rate. And of course, the holy grail of marketing is that we know what the customer shops for. So if you buy diapers, we know you have a baby. We know that we can tempt you to maybe change brands. Or if you drink Pepsi, we can tempt you to see if you'll buy Coke. These are all opportunities for us. It's called myoscar.com, and it stands for On-Site Coupons, Advertising, and Redemption Reeling. That's it. Thank you.
Our next concept is Head of Lettuce.
With the emergence of social media, there's a lot of businesses out there that understand the need to get involved, but have an innate fear that they're going to make mistakes and they're witnessing problems from other companies. Well, I'm with Head of Lettuce Media. I'm Anthony Francis, and Head of Lettuce Media is a company that handles training and education, coaching, as well as full-service options. The full-service options we offer include ghost blogging, ghost twittering. In other words, for the businesses that don't have time to be writing their blog, but they recognize the value of communicating with customers, we're going to provide that information and we're going to provide that service. We're looking at using college students, stay-at-home parents, people who are going to be able to hire at about $20 to $40 a post, and we're looking at charging about $285 per blog post. Subscriptions we're anticipating between $750 a month, ranging all the way up to probably $2,500 to $3,000 a month. Head of Lettuce Media, it sticks. It's that simple. You just need to know it has to be done. It's not so important that you know it.
Thank you. Our ninth concept is a new dock lighting system.
Good afternoon. My name is Michael Lexi, and it's the end of the world as you know it, particularly with regard to energy. We all remember last year the price of energy went up just a little bit, particularly the price of gas. Over the last decade, since about 2000, the price of gasoline has more than doubled. What we're not quite as sensitive to is the fact that over that same time frame, the price of electricity went up over 50%, just in the state of Florida. Over the next decade, it'll go up another 50%. Probably it'll go up as much as 100%. Energos, the parent company that I represent, is focusing on energy efficient lighting. Our first product in that regard is solar powered lighting to mount on pilings that are associated with marine docks. And that's what you see right here. We're starting out with that product because frankly it's a relatively straightforward product from a technology point of view for us to introduce. But that core technology, once we've got that going, allows us to move very quickly into a wide variety of additional products and leverage that technology from there. The secondary unique aspect that we bring together is that we're merging two companies. One company is presently an injection molding company. The other one is a contract electronics assembly company, and that allows us to really do this cost effectively. Thank you.
Our next concept is CitySync. Adam?
How you doing? My name is Adam Quayle, and I'm the founder of CitySync. So as a college student, I go through this problem every day. I open up the newspaper and I see everything that happened yesterday that I missed out on because I didn't know about it. Or I'm sitting at home and I get 15 text messages from my friends asking me what's going on in Gainesville, where I go to school. So CitySync is going to help solve that problem by letting college students know everything that's happening in their city in one simple place. So what we do is we allow this college student who's looking for something to do with their friends to come to CitySync to see all the food specials, bar specials, concerts, sporting events, you name it. If it's fun to do, it'll be on CitySync. And then we take it one step further and allow them to make plans with their friends. So all they have to do, this is the What's Happening page, they find an event they like, they click Make Plans, and they say, I want to invite my school friends, so it sends a text message with the details to all of their friends, and they can RSVP no matter where they are or what time it is by replying yes or no to the text message. And we're currently working on this feature to help businesses get their events in front of students when they're making the decision. And in the future, we're looking to develop this some more and then take it across the country after we hit about $20,000 in revenue in Gainesville to prove the concept. We want to take it across the country to college towns across the nation. And we're looking for about $500,000 to hire developers and salespeople across the country to help businesses get their events and specials in front of their target market. Thank you.
Our next concept is Grocery Star.
Can I save you an hour and a half of time each week? This product is Grocery Star. It allows you to shop from anywhere at your local grocery store. I should say your local grocery store from anywhere. How many of you guys have a smartphone? Pretty good percentage. Take your smartphone, scan whatever it is you need, in this case a shampoo bottle, before you throw it away. It is ready and waiting for you. Your grocery is added to your grocery list. Your grocery list is your order. It's waiting for you when you walk into the grocery store. You can still go shop and check out those tomatoes that might not look so good this week. And once you're done, you're out of there. Save you a bunch of time. How many of you guys ever used Google Street View? This is, okay, so we're pretty familiar with it. Well, now instead of walking around the streets or driving down the streets, we're driving down the aisles of your grocery store. Where's that can of diced tomatoes? I can't quite remember the name. That's the one. There it is. I walk through the aisle, pick it up, spin it, check out those nutrition facts, add it to my cart, and I'm out of there. And by the way, this is all while you were waiting for your kids at the bus stop. You come to a realization, the bus is here, the kids jump in, and you did all that online. This grocery store is the concept. My name is Scott, and what would you do with another hour and a half each week?
Our next concept is Intended.
Good morning. My name is Wayne Raskin. The product is the TechSkin, and the company is Intended. Pun intended. How many of you have kids or grandkids that have a video game system? Fair amount? You know somebody anyway? The problem with those gaming systems is they've got a terrible keyboard, and it makes it so that they really can't play the most popular PC-type games on those console systems. Kids also like to surf the web and text message and social media and all that kind of stuff, but they don't like to drag out a keyboard and sit it on their lap and put the game down and go back and forth between the two. And so what we've done is we've moved the entire keyboard onto the game controller. So now with that same game controller, they can text, surf the web, do their email, that same controller, and never get off the couch. Like we're in our late stage of finalizing a prototype. We've got distributors that are interested in carrying the product. We're also patented in the United States, and we're seeking companies that want to license the technology. Thank you for your time. I hope you stop by and have a chat.